India is not just a country, it is a celebration of unity in diversity. And the Republic Day reminds us of the values that bind us together. Assalamu alaikum and a wonderful morning to our esteemed guests, teachers, my dear friends and beloved juniors. I, Arifa bin Chaudhary, representing Maryam Ajmal Women's College of Science and Technology, HS, wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today, as we celebrate the 76th anniversary of our Republic Day, let us remember the momentous journey our nation has undertaken. On this day, in 1950, India, a land of diverse cultures and ancient wisdom, embraced its destiny of sovereign and democratic republic. The architects of our constitution, visionary leaders like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, crafted a framework that guarantees fundamental rights for all citizens and empowers us to participate in the democratic and developmental process. Over the years, India has achieved remarkable progress. We have emerged as a global economic power, a leader in space exploration and a beacon of hope for many. However, challenges such as poverty, inequality, and environmental degradation still persist. As youth, we have a vital role to play in shaping the future of our nation. We must strive for excellence in studies, cultivate critical thinking, and engage ourselves actively in the community services. Let us uphold the values of integrity, compassion, and respect for all. Let us pledge to work towards a more inclusive and equitable society where every individual has the opportunity to reach their full potential. Let us strive to protect our environment and preserve the rich cultural heritage for future generations to come. On this Republic Day, let us renew the commitment to the ideals of our Constitution and work together to build a more stronger, more prosperous, and more than just India. On this day, remember that democracy is not just a system of governance, but a reflection of all the dreams and aspirations of every Indian. With these few words, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you for listening to me patiently.